Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we are going to investigate SSH brute force attack using Wazuh. First of all, what is SSH brute force? SSH brute force is a method which actually hackers or penetration testers are using to gain access by systematically trying many possible passwords or keys. So how it works? The attackers actually select a target machine and a target service like SSH, RDP, email login. They try all the possible password, which is called brute force, and likely the one from a word list. So they create a dictionary, so in which all the guessable passwords will be present, and this is why even it is called a dictionary attack. This is possible with the tools like Hydra, Medusa, or Ncrack. This will automate these attempts at a high speed. In our lab, we are going to use Kali as an attacker machine, and our victim machine will be a Linux machine which has an IP address 192.168.1.10 and Windows machine as a 192.168.1.40. Okay, so we are going to use these two different agents and we are going to launch an attack via Hydra tool. The command we are going to use as this one, where Hydra is the tool, Jamin is the user from which we are going to guess the password. Hyphen p password.txt tells Hydra to use this text file as a password list file. Okay, this we are going to create on our Kali Linux machine, and SSH is the service. 192.168.1.10 will be our victim machine, our Linux machine, and 1.40 will be our next victim machine, will be our Windows. So let's quickly jump on to the Kali Linux machine. First, we are going to create password.txt. We will add some guessable password, and then we are going to launch an attack. First, create a password.txt. We are going to add some guessable password like abc1234 123 at the rate admin, then 123456789 then we can have then vpn 123. Okay, so these are some password that I'm just adding. Let's save it. Now it's time to launch an attack. So we are going to use the Hydra command, ssh 192.168.1.10. So attack has been launched, and it is trying all the guessable password which we have added in the password file. It says one target completed, but zero valid password found. Now let's see on the Wazuh. Is it detecting? Are we able to see those logs in the Wazuh or not? Now in the Wazuh, go to the threat intelligence, then threat hunting. Let's go to the events. Perfect. I can see agent which is Linux agent, and some of the authentication failed with the service SSHD. The rule ID is 5760. Okay, if you want to even more dig into the log, then you can click on this magnifying glass and it will show you all the detailed log, like what was the agent IP address, and from even it is actually tried this attempt. So this is how you are going to analyze the log for any brute force attempt. Now it's time to detect a log for a Windows machine. I'm going to use RDP as a services. So we are going to launch an attack for Windows machine. For Windows machine, we are going to use RDP service. So instead of SSH, RDP, and then IP address of a Windows machine. I launched the attack, and one target completed and zero password found. Let's see if Wazuh is able to detect or not. Go to the dashboard. Now refresh the log. Perfect. Agent is Windows machine, and I can see some of the bad passwords. Someone guessed this password, try to log in this machine, but it got failed. So this is how you are going to analyze the log for any brute force attempt. You can create a custom rule and even alert as well. So Wazuh can even trigger an alert. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next.